Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Kawasaki ZG 1400. This is the Concours 14, equipped with ABS brakes and Kawasaki traction control, super sport touring. This is the top of the line. Amazing 150 plus horsepower, liquid cooled, shaft drive, inline, 4-cylinder, fuel injection. It's got heated electric grips, color matched side cases that are locking. It's got a fresh set of Pilot Road 4 tires. Only 32,000 miles on this gorgeous metallic blue Kawasaki Concours. Engine guards front and rear. This bike was just owned by a police officer. Excellent condition. Price to sell just $79.99. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful cleaned used bikes in stock. Thing is a tour de force of sport touring power. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.